Find the sum of all odd positive integer less than 450. So find the sum of all odd positive integer less than 450. So the starting number of odd number 1 plus 3 5 etc. 499 490 less than 450 meaning in front number is 499 449. So that is the still number 449. So a value is 1, d value is 2, l equal to 449. Okay, so first of all, in which place the 499 lying here? So in which place meaning this is the first place, this is term 2, term 3, this is in which term. Okay, so first of all we find this n value. So the nth formula n equal to l minus a by d plus 1. L value 449 minus a value 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is subtraction 448 by 2. If we cancel this one we get 225. 225. So n value is 225. But want here sum. This term sum value, the total sum value is want here. So that is formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. So n value 225 by 2. The a value 1 plus l value 449. So if we add these two numbers we get 450 and get cancel denominator and numerator 225. So 225 into 225 equal to 50,625. So this total value is the sum of all odd positive integer less than 450 value is 50,625. The seventh question. Find the sum of all natural number between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. So if it is the question positive meaning which are divisible by 4 meaning we can solve the question easily, but here some difficult. Okay, so not big difficult, small difficult only. So first of all see the question, what the given number 602 and 902. Okay, so in between we have to first of all divisible by 4 values. Divisible by 4 values we will find divisible by 4 value. Then not divisible by 4 value also we will find here. Not divisible by 4 value also find here. Then we can subtract this number to this number, we get values. So what they ask here, that values. Okay, so first of all 602 etc 902. So 602, take 602 divisible by 4. If it is divisible this one, the remainder value is 2. Then we can subtraction 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then 602 plus 2 equal to 604. 602 plus 2 equal to 604. 604. Okay. So this 604 only divided by 4. If it is any doubt, you can divide it by 4 this number, get 0 value. The remainder value is 0. So the starting value is 604. In between the first number divided by 4 value is 604. Like this the last number, the 902 divided by 4. So if it is divided by 4 we get this remainder 2. So this remainder 2 subtraction from the main value we get 900. So 900 divisible by 4. So the first number 604, the last number 900. So first of all we find these total value 604 plus 608 plus etc 900. In between the numbers total is we will find here. So a value 604, d value 4 because divisible by 4 only. So the common value, the each two numbers between the numbers is 4 only. So l equal to 900. So first of all this is first place. Second place, in which place 900 lying here. So we should find the place value first. So n equal to l minus a by d plus 1. L value 900 minus a value 604 divided by d value 4 plus 1. So if it is subtraction these two number 296 divided by 4 plus 1. If it is cancelled, we get 74. So 74 plus 1, 75. So this 900 lying in 75 place. Okay, 75th place. So now this T75. Okay, T75 n value lying in 75th place. Okay, n by 2 a plus l. But want to total here. So n value 75 by 2, a value 604 plus 900. If we add these two, 1504. So cancel this by 2, 752. If it is multiply these two, we get 56,400. 56,400. So this is divisible by 4. So like this, we can find not divisible by 4. We can find not divisible by 4. So not divisible by 4, 602 is here. The next number 603. So not divisible by 4. So 603, the starting number not divisible by 4. In between numbers, the first number is 603. The last number is 901. Okay. So these numbers should not divided by 4. So the first a value is 603, l value 901. So the d value, the second number minus first number, the difference is 1 only. So d value 1. So substitute the n equal to l minus a by d plus 1 formula. L value 901 minus a value 603 divided by 1 plus 1. So if it is subtraction these numbers, we get 298 plus 1, 299. 299. So this 901 place is 299. 299. T 299. Okay, in totally 299 numbers is here. We want this total. Okay, so Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l formula only using here. So n value 299 divided by 2, a value 603 plus 901. So if you add these two, 1054, 1504. So if it is cancelled this number, this 2 and 7 2s are 14, remainder 1 5 2 2s are 4. If it is multiply, 2,24,848. Okay. So in total number of value is not divisible by 4 value is 224,844. So divisible by 4 value is 56400. So if it is subtraction the second number to first number, so the second number to first number, we get sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4 value is 1,68,448. Okay, the 8th question. So read the question carefully. The question is very very important. So the 8th question. Rahu wishes to buy a laptop. He can buy it paying 40,000. So he can buy it by paying 40,000 cash. In total amount for laptop is 40,000. Okay, or over, this is option, or by giving it in a 10 installment. How many installment here? 10 installments as 4,800 in the first month, 4,750 in the second month, 4,700 in the third month, and so on. If he pays the money in this fashion, find total amount paid in 10 installment. So just listen the question here. Total amount paid in 10 installment. So ask the question the second part only. So how much amount he paid in 10 installment. Okay, this is first question. The second question, how much extra amount that he pays, that he has to pay than the cost. அப்போ இந்த காஸ்ட்டை விட அதாவது ரெடி கேஷ் 40,000 கொடுக்கறத விட இந்த லோன் அமௌண்ட்டில் கட்டினார்னா எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக கட்டியிருப்பாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஹவு மச் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா அமௌண்ட். ஓகே, ஹவு மச் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா அமௌண்ட். ஸோ கம் டு த சொல்யூஷன் பார்ட். ஸோ த 8th question, AP. So the installment, 10 installment, 4 800, 4 750, 4 700, etc. This is form in AP because the different is the same different. Okay, here also minus 50, here also minus 50. So this is form in AP. So total installment n equal to 10. So the sum of what total value only. Okay, so Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value 10 by 2 2, a value 4 800 plus 10 minus 1 minus 50. So if it is multiply these two number, we get minus 450. So 9150. So 45,750. After 10 months, after 10 installment, he paid 45,750. So the second question, how much extra amount? So the second question, how much extra amount? The extra amount, how do we find here in extra amount? So the total laptop value is 40,000 only. Okay, 40,000 only. But the installment, by installment, he pays 45,000. He paid 45,750. So if it is subtraction this place, we get 5,750. He paid extra amount. Okay, the ninth question. A man repays a loan of rupees 65,000 by paying rupees 400 in the first month and then increasing the payment by 300 every month. A man repays a loan. Loan amount is 65,000. Total amount is 65,000. The 400 is the first month. So in every month he paid extra 300. So how long? So now we find a time only. Okay, time only. Month. Okay, time only. So it will take for him to clear the loan. So come to the solution part. The loan amount 65,000. So this is a total amount Sn value. So 400 in first month. Then second month plus 300, 700. Then again plus 300,000, plus 300,000, 300, etc. So A value is 400. D value is 300. So Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn value is 65,000 equal to n by 2 2. A value is 400 plus n minus 1 d. D value is 300. So this 300 multiplication in n, 300 n. This one 300. The first one 2 into 4 are 800. So if it is simplify this place, we form a quadratic form. N square, n constant, 3n square plus 5n minus 1300. So this fully divided by 100. So the value 65 into 60 only. Okay, 65 into 60 only our numbers. So divided by 3. So if it is cancelled, this number minus 20. So want value only. So value meaning if it is minus here, we take plus. So n equal to 20. So he will take 20 months. If he paid 20 months, clear his amount, loan amount. Okay. Then 10th question. The 10th question. A brick staircase has a total of 30 steps. The bottom step requires 100 bricks. Each successive step requires 2 bricks less than the previous step. How much bricks are required for the topmost step? How many bricks are required to build the staircase? Okay, so come to the solution. So 100 plus 98 plus 96 plus 94, etc. 30 steps. So how to write this sentence here? So read a question carefully. So the bottom step require 100 bricks. So the starting number is 10. Each successive step requires 2 bricks less than 2 bricks less than. So 100 first number. So less than 2 to 98. Then it's less than 2 96, etc. In total step 30 steps. So 100 plus 98 plus 96 plus 94, etc. 30 steps. So A equal to 100. D equal to 98 minus 100 equal to minus 2. So n equal to 30 step. So Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value 30 by 2 2. A value 100 plus n value 30 minus 1. D value minus 2. So 30 minus 1 29 into minus 2 minus 58. If it is subtraction, this one 142. So 2130 2130 2130. So S30 value is 2130. So find T30 value also. So T30 formula, term formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So substitute this number, we get 42. So number of bricks required for the step are 42. Number is not no. Okay, number of bricks required for the top step are 42. So total number of bricks required to build the staircase are 2130. The total number of bricks 2130. Thank you, student.